new cheese at the shopping area?
Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna get some.
Yeah, my dad said I can get some when I get the caramel.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, wow, I heard you guys talking. What are you up to?
Oh my gosh, we haven't seen you in forever.
Yeah, did you guys want to go to the camel shop today?
Yeah.
We should go.
What do you have?
Oh, this is a poster.
What's the poster of?
There's an opening to be a disciple.
Oh really? What are the qualifications?
You have to work for an extended period of time.
I also heard that you must be able to give to others.
Oh, I also heard that you need, what is it? You need to have communication skills with other people.
Yeah.
How can I apply?
You must pray to God.
Oh, I heard there was good pay.
Oh, what is the pay?
Eternal life in heaven.
Okay, this is going to be fun.
Do you think it will be hard to apply?
No, they're really accepting.
Okay.
Let's go apply now.
Yeah.
Yeah.